Welcome to Jyoti Bhatt's Kitchen. Today I will show one recipe, that is aloo tomato song, which is well suitable for chapatis and paratas with little ingredient and with little preparing time. I will show how we can do it. Aloo tomato song. Ingredient required: potatoes 5, tomato 3 numbers, 1 onion, some leafy coriander, 1 green chilies, half lemon. These all vegetables should be cut into small pieces. Potato should be boiled and peeled and mashed. See, these are all the items we required to do this delicious side dish. Let the kada heat. Put 3 spoons of oil. This oil is hot now. I will put jeera. See, let it flutter. Now, next I will put onion. Half spoon turmeric powder, 1.5 spoon chili powder, 1 spoon jeera and coriander powder mix, garam masala we are going to use at the last as a finishing. I will put salt also in this stage. This half quantity I will put now, half later last I will put. 1/2 small spoon salt. See, now I will put potatoes. This is boiled, peeled and smashed. Not need not be smashed very soft and all. Lightly smashed. This now I will put little more water. See, it should be little liquidy so that after cooling the consistency will remain thickened only. Let it boil properly. 1 full full cup I have put water now. See, this is okay. For puris also it will suit